Reinventing yourself like a Stoic in 2025 means rising not because others are watching, but because you're tired of falling. The year ahead is blank, waiting for the story you choose to write, and real change begins with strong foundation, not empty promises. The ancient Stoics faced wars, exile, and chaos, yet they stayed strong because they mastered their inner world. Reinvention is not about becoming someone new, but removing your old weaknesses and illusions. Marcus Aurelius said that problems don't hurt us, our thoughts about them do. So the first step is to calm the mind and control emotions like anger, fear, and envy. These emotions are not enemies, but like wild horses, they must be trained with discipline. Seneca said no one is free unless they control themselves. So self-mastery is the first rule. Next comes strength in chaos, because life won't bend to your wishes. Epictetus taught that what matters is your reaction, not the event itself. So you can either break under pressure or use challenges to grow stronger. Every hardship in your life can be a stepping stone, not a wall. The year 2025 will test you, but each test can shape you into a stronger, more focused person. Reinvention also requires discipline, because without it you become controlled by impulses and distractions. Discipline gives you the strength to say no to what weakens you and yes to what builds you. This is how you reinvent yourself with calm, courage, and clarity, just like a Stoic. Indulgence, distraction, and comfort make us weak, so we must learn to say no to them. Musonius Rufus said that when you work hard for something good, the effort ends quickly but the reward lasts. So remember this whenever you feel tempted to take the easy path. The harder path, the Stoic path, is the one that truly transforms you. We must learn to pause before speaking, act with purpose, and think carefully before judging. Every moment of self-control is a win, and every act of discipline brings more freedom. The next key is wisdom, because discipline and strength mean nothing without it. Wisdom guides us toward what is right and true. Marcus Aurelius said to stop arguing about what a good person should be and simply become one. In 2025, we must stop talking and start living with reason, learning, and clarity instead of acting blindly. A Stoic acts with intention, not ignorance. This journey is also not meant to be taken alone, because we are all connected. What harms others eventually harms us too, just like Marcus Aurelius said about the hive and the bee. As you reinvent yourself this year, remember your growth inspires others and helps create a world where courage, discipline, and wisdom are alive. If this message speaks to you, take it seriously and let it guide your days, your weeks, and your year ahead. And if you want to join this path, share your thoughts and connect with the community.